Today we're looking at the data sheet for the 74HC138. It is a 3 to 8 line inverting decoder demultiplexer. Inverting means that it's going to active low instead of active high. The 138 has 3 binary inputs, A0, A1, and A2. When enabled, provide 8 mutually exclusive active low outputs, Y0 to Y7. The 138 features 3 enable inputs, 2 active low, E1 and E2, and 1 active high, E3. Every output will be high unless not E1 and not E2 are low and E3 is high. This is the pinout to the 3 to 8 line inverting decoder demultiplexer. Here's pin number 1, 2, and 3 is added to A0 to A2. Pins 4 and 5, E1 to E2, the enable inputs. Pin 6 is enable input active high. These are active low. Pin 8 is the ground. 15 through 7 through 15 are Y0 to Y7 outputs. They're active low outputs. And C16 is the positive voltage supply. So now that we got all of that, we connect here, here, and here. These ones are the inputs. These are the enables. Whoops, not that one. And this one, along with all of these, are outputs. So here we have the truth table. If you have a high on E1 or high on E2 or a low on E3, you will get nothing but high outputs. Now, E1 and E2 active lows. This is why all of these are active low, and this is an active high. If you have any of these disabled, then of course you'll disable everything else. If we look at our truth table here, all lows gives us a low output 0. If we go high, low, low, we get a low output 1. Low, high, low, we get an output 2. But you can go through this and it'll show you which everything is going on. The 138 is identical to the 238 but has inverting outputs. Now I will go to the bench and show you how this all works in action. This is a 74HC138. It is a inverting decoder demultiplexer. It is an IC that I replaced on a circuit board for radiation detector at a landfill that checks the rail cars as they pass by. And they are all active low. So the inputs, to get a high output, you need a low input. To get a low output, you need a high input. This peripheral driver, it is also active low. So when I insert it, here's the output of the decoder demultiplexer. You can see it's already registered on a 1. See, the active low is 1. Now if I put this on to 2, right there we got 2, and I can push this button, it'll move from there to there. This is the latch driver, so this is coming from the DP8310. So now we want to get to the next bit over, which is that one. And to move it, I hit this button that sets it over and latches it. And now we can go to number 4, which is already there. And so this is how it all works. This is why we wanted this one active low, so that it can be input into here, which will give me a single output on the high.